I was at a networking event the other night, and there was a rep there from Kilian Paris, and she had a bunch of goodie bags full of samples, and I wasn't gonna leave without one. So I got this bag of samples, but I had to work for it because at most networking events or just events, they'll give you the goodie bag or the swag bag on your way out, and they'll just hand you the bags as you leave. Not this time. She had all the goodie bags behind her, and she wasn't letting any of them out of her sight. So I had to work for this. I basically had to talk to her, schmooze her up, kind of say that I was going to go into Bergdorf Goodman the next day and see her and buy a bottle. And then she knows that people always just give lip service and say they're going to come in and then they don't. So she even said, and if you can't make it into the store, give me your number and you can buy it over the phone. So she made sure to get a commitment out of me before she was going to part with this goodie bag. So I really kind of had to work for it. I mean, don't get mad at me. I wasn't lying. I do want to go see her, but I just didn't want to go the next day. Also, I had a few drinks in me. So I was going to say whatever it took to get this goodie bag. And plus, I was kind of the next morning, not really, I wasn't hungover, but I wasn't in any mood to schlep over to Bergdorf Goodman. So I will see her eventually, but I didn't go the next day and I didn't buy a bottle over the phone either. But I secured the bag and let's go through them because I think there's like 5 or 6 samples in here. So there's a lot to go through, so let's go through them now. Some of them I've smelled before, and some of them I smelled with her at the counter, but I'm excited. I've never had this many samples from a house just given to me, so this is exciting. So first we're going to start with Love Don't Be Shy. This is one of their like famous signature scents, so I'm curious what this will smell like because I don't think I smelled this that night with her. This is the card. And it says, Love Don't Be Shy by Kilian is a sexy treat for grown-ups. It's neroli, orange blossom, and marshmallow. That sounds really good. Okay. Yeah, it's got a brightness to it, a citrusy. I smell the orange blossom. I do get marshmallow sweetness. It's nice. Not sure it's for me, but it's nice. But I don't think I really like florals or bright citrus. The marshmallow I like because I do like gourmands. But yeah, I'm not sure. I do like some citrus or like orange blossom if it's mixed with something a little bit warmer. But not sure if this is for me. So that's Love Don't Be Shy. I love the name though. Okay, this one is Smoking Hot. The fumes of an intoxicating hookah. Hookah flavor, tobacco absolute, and vanilla. So I wonder if it's gonna be reminiscent or evoke Tobacco Vanille by Tom Ford. The hookah sounds interesting. I do like smoky scents. That's nice. I like the smokiness of it. I really get smoke. And I think that I can get the vanilla and the tobacco in there. But I do, the smoke is very forward. I'm not sure how it will dry down, but on the opening, it's very nice. Okay, so that's good. I like this one. So obviously these are all going to smell a little bit different once they dry down, and they'll smell different on skin, but I just want to get a base line of how they smell on a test strip. Angel Share Paradis. So this is the new one that just came out. It's the finest cognac ever made translated into a fragrance. Raspberry, rose, and cognac essence. That's kind of cool because the original Angel Share is bourbon, so then they moved for Paradis to cognac. I don't really like rose fragrances, so I'm not sure if I'll like this. But the rose and the raspberry and the cognac sounds good. It's very soft and light. I don't drink a lot of cognac, so I'm not sure if what I'm smelling is accurate. And it's the raspberry and rose. I don't know. This is like a meh. Because I do like the original Angel Share. So I guess if this is cognac, but it's Paradis, so it's supposed to be a little bit more tropical. But it's like, eh. Okay, this one's old fashioned. I did smell this with the rep at the networking event, and I think I did like it. The scent of an 18-year aged whiskey in the finest Scottish tradition. Wheat Absolute, cedarwood hyperconcentrated essence, and tolu balm. Wheat sounds interesting. Cedarwood sounds nice. Tolu balm, I don't know what that is, so let's give it a go. Yeah, I don't think I like this. Because it smells like alcohol. And I'm not sure about the whole line of the ones that smell like drinks and alcohol, because it's like, do you really want to smell like alcohol? I know that they are translating it into a fragrance, but you still run that risk of just smelling boozy like you just came from a bar. Or God forbid somebody thinks that you smell like you have alcohol on your breath, or they just think that you've been drinking, because that's not attractive. Yeah, I'm just getting yeah, it smells like alcohol. I kind of liked it when I was with the rep at the event, but yeah, it just smells like booze. And I don't know what tolu balm is. The cedarwood's nice, but I don't drink old fashions. But it really does smell like an old fashioned, because I have had them, and it does smell like that, which is cool. But I really don't want to smell like I've been drinking. So maybe this is a no. So I think the only one I really like so far is the hookah one, which is smoking hot. The names are fun. This one's called Can't Stop Loving You. An orange blossom underlined with black coal, insanely magnetic. Orange flower, labdanum cistus, honey from Provence. I'm not really familiar with labdanum. I mean, I think I've smelled it because it's been in a lot of fragrances that I own, but I can't really pinpoint the note. And honey from Provence, so maybe it'll be a little bit sweet. I do like gourmands, so let's see if I like this one. Okay. It almost smells like a Red Hot. Like cinnamon. It's nice, but I think I just don't like orange blossom. Yeah, I don't like florals, citrus, bright. Because it just like has a sharpness to it that just kind of seems bitter to me. I just don't like that. But that's just me. If you like orange blossom and citrus, this might be good for you. I'm not really getting the honey. And the last one is a big boy. It came in this big card. Good Girl Gone Bad, a narcotic, uninhibited whirlwind of flowers. Okay, well, maybe this isn't the one that I was thinking of, because I don't like flowers. I don't like floral scents. They're just too sweet and cloying to me normally. This one's, again, orange blossom. So there's been a lot of orange blossoms in this sample collection. Osmanthus and tuberose. Yeah, I don't know, but I'm willing to give it a try. So if it's Good Girl Gone Bad, maybe it's like a dirty floral. Yeah, it's just a floral, so I don't like it. But if you're a woman, or if you like floral fragrances, this might be good for you. But yeah, I'm not about it. This is not the one that I was thinking of. This is not the suntan lotion one that reminded me of Soleil Blanc. I mean, it's perfectly fine. This Kind of reminds me of something that I smelled years ago, like 20, 30 years ago, by Estee Lauder. Or maybe I'm just misremembering, but it's nice, but I don't like florals. Yeah, I do like smoking hot. I don't know if I really want to smell like it before going out, if I'd want to put on something smoky, but it's nice to smell. It's really cool that you can get a smoke scent. Like you can capture a smoke scent. Angel Share Paradis. Yeah, it's just like the old fashioned. It dries down nicer, but I just don't want to smell like a drink. Stop Loving You. No, I don't like it. And then Good Girl Gone Bad. Yeah. But anyway, thank you to the sales rep who gave them to me, Stella. If you're watching this, thank you, Stella. I will go into Bergdorf Goodman and see you because my friend also wants a bottle of something else. And I do want to get a bottle of Angel's Share. So I will go in and get something eventually. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe for more videos about fragrances and fragrance reviews, unboxings, and first impressions. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you, ByKilian. Bye.